Most Android users only use a fraction of what their phones can do. Here are 10 hidden Android features that can make your phone smarter, faster, and easier to use. Feature 1. Split Screen Mode. Use two apps at the same time. Feature 2. One-handed mode. Makes large phones easier to use. Feature 3. Quick Camera Launch. Double-press power button. Feature 4. Live Captions. Automatically captions videos and audio. Feature 5. Screen Recording. Built directly into Android. Feature 6. Focus Mode. Blocks distracting apps. Feature 7. Nearby Share. Quick file sharing. Feature 8. App Pinning. Locks the phone to one app. Feature 9. Battery Saver Automation. Automatically activates when battery is low. Feature 10. Find My Device. Locate a lost phone remotely. Which feature was your favorite? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more Android tips and tech tutorials.